In this video, I want to address this setting. Stop buying and sell all lots as soon as possible. Now, to help us look at this setting, I'm going to come up on the hamburger menu here and I'm going to open an external chart for this token. And when I click that, it's going to take me over to Dex Screener. Now, you may be mistaken and look at what the current price is and think, if I sell my bot now, this is how much I'm going to get. But that may not be the case. Jonny Blockchain's robot is not a market maker. Now, if you've got a setting that says sell immediately, we'll communicate with PancakeSwap's liquidity pools, and PancakeSwap will offer the quickest sale possible. But let me show you the danger of that. So if I look for this particular token, I can see that there's many liquidity pools on PancakeSwap. We've got one here, and I can see that the price is $1.13. Coming down a little bit further, I can see there's another liquidity pool here for $1.13. I can see there's another one for $1.13. Coming down a little bit further, I can see there's one for $1.12. And if I keep going down, I can find a liquidity pool which is a lot lower than the other liquidity pools. I can see here there's one for 0.0019, and I can also see there's another liquidity pool in here for 0.0012. There's another one down here that's 5 zeros, 69. And if I look here, this one's only got liquidity of $1,800. This one's got a liquidity pool of $470,000, and this one's got a liquidity pool of $869,000. So you can see that just looking at these liquidity pools, there's a massive drop in price. But how big is that drop? So if we take this price here and we put that into our percentage calculator, and we also take this price up here, which says $1.14, and put that into our percentage calculator. So as you can see here, there's a 100% drop in price in just those two liquidity pools. Well, let's say that we use not this lowest one, we go with one with a lot more liquidity, and we use this one that's got $869,000 worth of liquidity, and we take this number here, 001954. We can see that that's a drop in price of 99.83%. So if you are choosing this setting here, stop buying and sell all lots as soon as possible, be very, very careful, because you could lose a lot of money, as you may not get the highest price that you see advertised maybe on Dex Screener, on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Crypto Bubble. Our trading robot doesn't trade with any of those platforms. It trades directly with PancakeSwap's liquidity pools. So when you use this setting, be very careful, because you could lose a lot of money. If you want to close the bot down and it's to stop buying, but to sell the lots as soon as possible, then you could consider using this setting here. Stop buying and sell all lots with a profit or break even. Be very careful if you're going to choose this setting here. Create your own trading robot. Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.